Hi, I'm Kamesh from Karpaga Vinayaga College of Engineering and Technology. Every student has a dream to work in a biggest company with a great job, but he doesn't know what's happening in the industry. To overcome this, our college organizes industry expert tech talk to each and every student to fulfill their career. Because of these sessions, we gain knowledge and skill to improve our career path. Our industry experts, not only from India, but international industry experts, teach us what's happening in the industries all over the world. This helps to know what's happening in the industries all over the countries to our career path. And also, our industry experts teach us what to do in the interviews to get a great placement. I'm really happy to study in KVCET because of the industry expert for the great path to the success. Thank you.